understood more of people's reactions to our programs, our audiences and our participants, that the fascination people have with it, the interest people have in it, the quality, the kind of intense quality people bring to Yiddish, all things Yiddish. It's diversifying. That's a kind of formal word, but it's taking many forms. There are people who reach out into the Yiddish culture and Eastern European Jewish culture through books as we do, but there are people who do it very deeply through music and theater and film and other forms of the arts. People are reading work and translation more carefully and with greater interest than they have before. Certainly the language is being used more in the academy, either as a research tool or as a resource unto itself. So I think we don't have to worry anymore about things, you know, well, dying or being lost, but they also will grow and change, because that's the nature of creativity and that's the nature of culture, that it grows and changes and takes different shapes. And the best news for Yiddish is that it's changing and growing in different ways that couldn't have been imagined by my great-grandparents or parents, for that matter.